Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Call Multiplier account. So watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press the notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Actually, it's pretty easy to log into your Call Multiplier account. Open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.callmultiplier.com and press enter on your keyboard. Once you end up in this page, official site of www.callmultiplier.com, and click on login button in the upper right corner of the site. After that, type in your email address and your password into the login area. If you have forgot your email or your password, click on I forgot my username or password link and follow the instructions. If you don't have an account yet, click on sign up link from here and follow the instructions again. After filling all of your information, click on the login button, and that's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope the video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like these. Thank you for watching.